What's it like to enter China? In this video, we are flying to Beijing to find out. Why? Rika and I have dreamt of visiting China for years now, but the strict entry requirements always scared us away.
This is where they either accept you or you don't.
Is all of our research fake? But now, after doing a little bit of research, we feel ready to go for it and document the entire process for you guys.
Okay, we have to turn these into 8-kilogram bags, which is like 15 pounds, and they're definitely a lot more than that. So we're gonna put on all of our clothes.
Classic. I look like a balloon.
Yeah, we're not going to a winter place, but we look like we are right now.
So as you guys know, we are going to China on the 144-hour transit visa.
Oh yeah, by the way, since recording this, the transit visa has been upped from 144 to 240 hours. But from what we've researched, the entry process is still exactly the same.
I was researching for hours and hours on what the process is, how we do it, how it works. And while there are YouTube videos out there that have really good information, they don't really have a good compilation of everything. So I'm really going to try my best to give you as detailed a video as possible on our entire journey, what we needed, and everything.
So this transit visa, it's kind of like an alternative to your regular visa if you're flying from one country to another country through China.
At the same airport.
At the same airport, then you can leave the airport for 144 hours, which translates to, I think, 6 days. So we're gonna stay for about 5 days, so we have a little bit of cushion on either side.
So we're currently in Seoul, South Korea, and we're flying to Beijing. Seoul is a very big airport, so we're hoping that they know about this visa, but we have heard from other people that not every airport knows about this visa.
안녕하세요.
Where are you going? 어디 가세요?
Beijing? Yeah, we're doing like
Transit?
a transit
We're doing
visa.
transit visa, and we're going to Macau in 5 days. Yes.
It's another ticket. It's your.
Yes, we have one.
Okay.
Yes, we can show you.
Yeah, thank
Yep.
you.
She's going to check with the manager. Apparently, she doesn't know about this visa.
Is all of our research fake?
No.
Yeah, well, we get in.
This is why we came 4 hours early, no matter how much Wyatt didn't want to come 4 hours early.
I tend to prefer coming as late as possible.
Thank you for rating.
No, thank you. We
Thank you
appreciate
very
your
much.
help. Yes?
It's gate number 127. Gate
Okay.
number.
Yes. We did it.
Let's go!
I was so hot in that.
Let's go through security, guys. Like a suitcase Segway. It's crazy.
Easy peasy.
Look at this suitcase robot. US needs to get on the robot game. So I usually walk faster than Rika, but the one exception is when we're walking to our gate in the airport. And then she just flies. We're learning Chinese right before we get on the plane. Ni hao.
China, here we come.
Alrighty, we made it on the flight, guys. We are going to China.
Yeah, I'm super anxious to see how it goes once we're there. But right now, it's just time to chill.
Hey. First glimpse of China. China.
It's a little chilly. I like it.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad we have all the extra clothes. We activated our AIRALO plan, 10 gigabytes of data, and we are into the internet. There's no firewall as of yet, and I'm just so overjoyed to be here.
So before you even go into the immigration line, you have to do a slight detour, and it's actually right by immigration. It's called the Temporary Entry Permit Application. So I think you have to get your fingerprints and then fill out this form, and then you go up to immigration, and then hopefully if you're accepted, because this is where they either accept you or you don't, like right now, then they'll stamp your passport.
Okay, so we are physically and legally in China.
Yeah, it was a long process. Took like 2.5 hours of just waiting in line mostly.
Yeah, you have to wait in a separate line for the 144-hour visa. All we had to have was our hotel reservation and our exiting flight. But yeah, we're here. We have 6 days here. We're only going to stay 5 to kind of give a cushion, as I mentioned earlier. But if you have any questions about this process, just put them in the comments, and we respond to every single comment.
So we're going to our hotel, and they do have trains here, but I'm thinking our best bet right now is to do a Didi car or a taxi. It's basically their form of Uber.
I think e-hailing is probably rideshare, right? Okay, now we're at the e-hailing pickup point, which I think is kind of like the rideshare area. It's like all orange. You can't miss it when you get here. He said, "Hello, I am rushing over. Please wait in a warm place."
So we're currently in the Didi car, and the way we actually paid for the Didi car is through ALIPAY. So actually get on the ALIPAY app, which you need to get before you come here and put your bank cards in. It's the way that they pay for everything here, and it's super easy. It's through QR codes.
It's crazy to me how big and wide these highways are.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Love that it's a little bit chilly. I've been so done with the heat.
Yeah, we've been to Australia, to Hong Kong, to Seoul, and now here, and it is nice and cool. It was cool to see China from the car. We saw a lot of buildings and saw like the red lanterns, the classic Chinese red lanterns. Does it say Haiyan?
Nope, but it looks exactly like the pictures.
Hey, let's go. Oh, nice. Let's go.
He gave us a lot of toothbrushes and toothpaste. I wonder if he's trying to tell us something.
Yeah, do we stink? Got double backpack mode, tight stairwell. Not bad.
So this is the high-end, and we paid $45 US a night for it. We're gonna give you a quick tour of a Chinese hotel room. We got a big bed, a TV, and a desk. We even got a window, which is nice, and blackout curtains. And then we have a bathroom with all the essentials and a little area for the shower. It kind of is a shower room, but I'd say it's better because they have a curtain to separate it.
Like, it wasn't that long of a travel day, but just the uncertainty coming to China made it a little bit more stressful than a lot of our normal days. And if you're coming to China and you're watching this video, then you're on the right track. Because this is someplace that I would have just never looked into anything if Rika wasn't here, and I would have just been out of luck. So, okay, my hand hurts holding this camera up. Ow.
Again, please comment any questions you have about the entry process into China. Also, make sure to subscribe because China's our 36th country on our journey to 50, and we have a ton of amazing adventures to share with you all soon. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.